Some of the most important knives we have in our lives is the kitchen knives, in particular a good chef knife. Hello friends, today I want to talk to you about a 8-inch chef knife I picked up about 6 months ago, and it has been a fantastic performer. This is a German-made chef knife you can pick up for less than $40 from Amazon, and I'm here to tell you all about this wonderful knife. But before we get started, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel and like the video. It does a lot to help me support the channel. Okay, so what we got here today is the Mercer Genisis series model M21078. It's an 8-inch short bolster chef knife. And this has the X50 CR MOV 15 high carbon German stainless steel blade. This forged steel blade is tapered from the handle all the way down to the tip and from the spine of the knife all the way to the edge. This is a feature you're not going to find on a lesser stamped steel blade, and it gives the knife a much more elegant feel, and it helps it slice through delicate fruits and vegetables like tomatoes like it's nobody's business. Also, the tapering down to a very thin blade in the front allows you to go in and pierce and slice the fleshy fruits where a thicker blunt blade will not be able to do that. It gives you a lot more precision control, and you can do things like I'm doing here, where I like to really cut the tomato into small pieces for salsa. And now here you can see it is diced up very nicely. And this is 6 months on the factory edge. I've never sharpened it. Meanwhile, the taper at the handle end gives the blade more rigidity and stiffness over a stamped steel blade. This gives the knife a much better balance and feel in the hand. And also, when you're chopping firm vegetables like onions, there's no flex, and you feel confident that the knife is going exactly where you want it to. That stiffness is going to give you the feel that you need to force your way through a large onion, but also that thin tip is going to give you the control and the precision you need to do those fine, delicate tasks. And the balance and ergonomics of the knife just make it a joy to use in your everyday task in the kitchen. I mean, I look forward to using this knife. And did I mention I've had this knife for 6 months and haven't sharpened it once? That's amazing. And I really enjoy the handle. It's made out of a material called xanthopene, and while grippy, it is not rubbery, and it's tapered very nicely to fit into the swell in the palm of your hand. As you can see, it just fits in the hand nicely. Now, the blade is designed with plenty of room to keep your hand from hitting the chopping board. And like I said, it has no bolster. Unlike the Hinkle with the bolster, the bolster gets in the way. I like to pinch the knife like this when I'm doing fine, delicate tasks. I just feel it gives me better control, and it makes the knife feel more balanced. Also, a bolster like this on the Hinkle makes it very hard to sharpen the knife. As you can see, I don't get a full contact on my cutting board because of the uneven edge. This Mercer is much nicer, and it just makes for a nice, elegant kitchen knife. Like I said, I enjoy cutting up my vegetables. I look forward to it. You know, sometimes I just grab a bar stool and sit down and start prepping all my vegetables for whatever I'm going to cook for dinner that night, and it makes it fun. I enjoy cutting up these peppers for my stir fry, and You know, the belly of the knife there's no flat spot on it. It's curved from the stem all the way to the tip, so it doesn't stop when you rock it. It's just it's got a perfect curve to it. It allows me to just really crank through, slicing up, you know, julienne these yellow pepper. I know my technique's not the best. I'm not a culinary chef. I'm just a home cook. But, you know, I appreciate a good knife. I have a knife channel, obviously so. This is just a great knife, especially for less than $40. You can't beat it. Like I said, I have not sharpened this knife in 6 months. I'm still just using it the way it is. It's just a great knife. I'm highly impressed with it. I think you should go out and try it. The Mercer Genesis model 21078. I want to make sure everybody is assured that no vegetables were wasted in the production of this video. And once again, I want to thank you for watching my video and ask you to please subscribe and like the video. It helps me out very much. Enjoy your day.